Greetings into the whole world. Again, it's Lwandile here, the leader and the instructor of Maniquest Go. So let's see, what do we have on hand? Okay, we're working on exercise 3. I gotta write a program that outputs 100 lines numbered 1 to 100 each with your name on it. Okay, so the output should look like the output below. Okay, so 1, your name, 2, so on and so forth. Okay, so let's see the first version of this solution right here. Again, it's gonna be something pretty straightforward. Let me create a variable called Lwandile. Let me include my surname as well. And then I'll have a for loop. So I want to do this thing 100 times. That's why I'll put 100 over there. And then when it comes to printing, I want to print I plus 1. And then followed by the value stored in the name variable. What exercise is this? Oh, this is exercise 3. So 3A will do it. I mean, this should be it, you guys. I don't know whether or not it's gonna work. Just kidding. I am definitely sure it is gonna. Oops. Oops. Really? That was the dumbest mistake ever. That was the dumbest. Okay. That was so stupid of me. There's no variable called I. The only variable we have here is X. Not X, I mean it's index. You see, as people pass by, they greet me, so I get distracted sometimes. As you can see, we have the exact thing that we want. We've got 1, Lwandile Kanyile, 2, blah blah blah, so on and so forth, all the way up to 100. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, I'm gone.